is Christmas Eve, one more sleep, and it's the last door to open on the advent calendars. All right, here we go. Breaking into the bookcase over here. Is it a book? No, it's not. Oh my goodness. Oh, this has been the best advent calendar ever this year, the Lego Friends one. Oh my god, I can't wait to see this little guy up close. So this is our Chonka cat. So Churro is the chonky cat, the Lego Friends line, but this is a snow cat version. Look at the little twig whiskers and the coal eye. Oh, the eyes and the detail. Oh, that's so good. And he's got a tiny top hat. Look at that. And a very, very icy block to stand on. So if we pop this on here and then he just goes on the top, a snow cat. Whichever, that's so good. Oh my goodness. All right, little snow cat, let's pop you out the front of the house. What a lovely way to finish the calendar. And everybody can come in and behold the wonder that is the Chonka snow cat with his little twig whiskers. That's just so cute. And little twig mouth. Oh, Merry Christmas, Paisley's family. All right, door 24 of the Disney Advent Calendar. We've got to be finishing up the Cinderella Castle. There we go. So this is going to be the second story, the next level up. Okay, all right. This is the first time we've had a multi-build, I think. Is there something still left in there? No, that's just the back of the box. Okay, let's get this open and then put it together. And then we can play the game because we'll set all the board up. Yeah, there's actually a game which we had a bit of a play in, I think in door 5, was it? When we got the spinning top, the dreidel. Okay, so let's get all these on and then we'll have a go. So this goes up here and then we've got these pointy bits on the side and a little bit of green with red because it's Christmas. Another one on the other side. And then on the top, we just have this here and then... oh, hold on, we have mismatching pointy turrety bits up here, and then the blue bit on the top. Nice. Okay, so this then goes up on top, and we have now got the cutest little miniature version of Cinderella's castle. You still can't fit a micro doll into this, which bugs me no end, but I also like the proportions of it as it stands, so I'm kind of in two minds, but I do want them to be able to kind of get in there, and they just barely can't. Maybe Ariel can't. She can't. Let's set up our board. Okay, so obviously the castle is going to be the finishing point. We'll put all the presents over there. Let's get all of our mini builds around in the environment, out in the ocean, off in the snow. I don't know quite where we put Tiana's stuff, but it can be somewhere along the way. And the Madrigal house can be up in the mountains. Oh, everybody's in. And then we get all the princesses who are falling over. So I'm actually going to just put them on some little round plates that'll stop them, with jumper studs on them, that'll stop them from falling over. Line them all up, ready to go. So when we spin, they have to move to the appropriate coloured square as we go along. When I spin this, it just messes up everything. So I'm trying to find a place where I can spin it, where it doesn't knock everything over, but it's still in camera. Look at them racing ahead. We're going to play this whole game. But we're now going really, really fast, and I'm spinning off screen, but I promise I'm not cheating. I'm not favouring any of these princesses over the others. Looks like Moana's taking the lead. Oh, Tiana is... oh, she's beating, but Moana's catching up again. And we're so close to the end. Tiana won! And everyone else is just going to stop off to pat some pets or hang out in an ice castle. I mean, there's so much to do here along the way. It's not always about winning. Oh my goodness, there has been so much fun in the advent calendars this year. I'm sad to reach the end, but we are, and tomorrow is Christmas. So, from Paisley's family and from mine to yours, please have a wonderful Christmas. Spend time with your family, have some relaxed chill time too, and if it all gets too stressful, just go and read a book or build some Lego. That's what I do. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody.